The capital murder trial of Elkmont teenager Mason Sisk abruptly ended yesterday in a mistrial. His defense team hadn't called a single witness before Limestone County Circuit Judge Chad Wise made the seemingly sudden decision.
Well, what does it all mean, and where does the case go from here? News 19 investigative reporter Dallas Parker has been covering that trial until its surprising ending. She joins us now in the studio with kind of an outside perspective on the case. Dallas?
That's right, Jerry. After a mistrial threw a wrench in the capital murder trial of Mason Sisk, we're analyzing what exactly it means for the future of the case and whether the judge had any other options. As we've reported, this happened because the FBI only recently cracked the victim's cell phone, and the parties needed time to review all of the evidence in that phone. I spoke with the former U.S. Attorney Jay Town about the proceedings. In light of the defense receiving data records from Mary Sisk's cell phone over the last weekend, Limestone County Circuit Judge Chad Wise decided Monday that the proceedings could no longer move forward. Former U.S. Attorney for the Northern District of Alabama, Jay Town, says a mistrial was the best option.
It was really the only decision the judge can make, and as disappointing it is to all of those involved, the victim's family members, Brian Jones, the district attorney, who's a great DA. Really give credit to the FBI. They could have just moved on to other devices. Very difficult to crack into Apple devices, especially.
Before declaring the mistrial, Judge Wise contemplated a short pause in the trial to allow the parties to review the evidence.
Perhaps the judge could have delayed it for 4 or 5 days and given them time to go through it. But then jurors start to lose memory of and only might be able to rely on their notes for the ultimate conclusion of the case, and you don't want that either.
Town says a mistrial isn't a cause for celebration by the defense. It's like hitting a reset button, and Judge Wise has already decided when to press play. Sisk's new trial date is February 13, 2023. An entirely new jury is required. I asked Town whether public knowledge of the previous trial, including news that Mason Sisk confessed, would make it harder to pick a new jury.
Don't forget that we're not just looking for 12 jurors that know nothing about the case and have never heard of this defendant or the 5 people that were murdered. You just have to have 12 people that will rely on the evidence that's presented in the courtroom and discard anything that they've ever heard outside of the courtroom.
Now, Town says the mistrial could actually strengthen the prosecution's case because the judge's ruling takes away the phone issue as grounds for an appeal. The former prosecutor says a Limestone County DA's office should want to try a case that can withstand the scrutiny.